to my channel, bringing back my little short haul videos. So I was able to score these at Target. They're the little Star Wars Mandalorian sets. I haven't seen these one. I do have a Porg and a Darth Vader from another Star Wars pack, and I thought I would open these up. So here is my first one. Oh my god, he's so cute. So I got a Mando. I actually love that. I love the Mandalorian. It is probably one of my favorite Star Wars series. And then I have this one. So these are all the possibilities. Or did I not get Mando? No, that is Mando. There's a mystery one, which I assume it looks like a Mandalorian, so either it's him or maybe Boba Fett, possibly, or Boba Fett's son from the series. So yeah, I wouldn't mind any of the child or the IG-11 or Kwai or a Jawa. So let's see. The only one I don't care for is a Blorg. As I'm saying this, I'm like, did I get a Blorg? No. I got 2 Mandalorians, which isn't bad. They're slightly different. Oh, maybe this is the rare one. Okay, because this one has a black cape, this one is brown, and then he has like different little like get up. So I think I got the exclusive one, which is pretty good. So I'm not upset about that. I'm actually quite happy. At first I thought it was the same, which everybody knows when you get like 2 of the same in a mystery pack, you're like, ugh. But I technically got 2 different ones, so I'm super happy with that. I hope you guys love these little short videos of me when I do stuff like this. I recently just did one of a Frankenstein's, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful day. Bye!